This is Mike Mullen from CenterPoint Properties in Chicago. Let me give you a brief history about CenterPoint Properties. We were founded in 1984. In 1993, we took the company public, and in 2006, the company was taken private when all the stock was purchased by the California Public Employee Retirement Systems. You probably know them as CalPERS. In 1993, we did an IPO. The IPO by today's standards was relatively small, almost laughably so. It was a $125 million IPO. But over the next 13 years, as a public company, we delivered for our shareholders a 22% per year compounded annual return. And the company, when it was eventually acquired by CalPERS, was purchased for $3.5 billion in cash. I got my start in the industrial real estate business in Chicago about 36 years ago, and have spent the last 18 years with CenterPoint. It's been phenomenal to see the changes I've seen in my career. When I got in this business, a big building was a 100,000 square foot building, and you might be allowed a year to build that building. Now we routinely have to build million square foot buildings in 6 months, and million square foot buildings are not that unusual anymore. Over the years, our business model has become much more focused on logistics-based real estate. Back in the mid-90s, we began developing air freight facilities on O'Hare Airport. Actually, to this date, I believe we're the only private developer that's ever been allowed on O'Hare, and we developed about 2 million square feet of air freight facilities for clients like Japan Airlines, British Airways, and others. The next evolution of the company was to get into the intermodal business, and we started in that business in 1998 by acquiring a Superfund site in Joliet, Illinois that was called the Joliet Arsenal. We acquired that property and developed on it a 750-acre intermodal for the BNSF Railroad and a 1,700-acre business park next to it. It was the first time that anyone had combined an intermodal and a business park on one campus. The success of the BNSF intermodal in Joliet led to other large-scale intermodal-based projects. Our next one was for the Union Pacific in Rochelle, Illinois. This is a 1,500-acre development. The Union Pacific refers to it as Global 3. Global 3 has now led to Global 4. With the opening of the new Global 4 Union Pacific project in Joliet, Illinois, we have combined the BNSF and the Union Pacific in one location on a 6,000-acre campus, which is the largest inland port in America and has the potential to do 6 million TEUs per year in the not-too-distant future. This would be equivalent to what the New York and New Jersey port authorities combined handle annually. Because of the success of the Joliet project, we've had the opportunity now to enter new markets. We are working on major rail projects in Savannah, Houston, Dallas, Kansas City, and the Oakland, California area. In addition, we have 2 or 3 others in the pipeline. Adjacent to our project in Kansas City, we attracted an extraordinary client. That's the National Nuclear Security Administration. We were selected to develop a $717 million 5-building campus for the NNSA, which they are leasing from CenterPoint under a 20-year bond net lease. I'm very proud of what CenterPoint's accomplished over the years. Not just the large projects we've tackled, but our commitment to the communities in which we work. The company last year committed to build a bird sanctuary. We're doing an enormous wetlands remediation project, and we donated $1 million to the Nature Conservancy.